नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आणि गोंयभर सध्या इतले घडामोडी घडपाक लागल्यात ते मागीर बाबूश मोन्सेराताची केस आसूं, दिलीप पर्वळेकराच्या हायकोर्टान दिल्लो जजमेंट आसूं, आम आदमी पार्टीचे दर जाग्याचेर दिसपी बॅनर आसूं, एक गजाल लक्षांत येता की खंय तरी आमी इलेक्शनाच्या वर्सां भितर पावल्यात आनी नांदी सुरू जाल्या. पड्डो केन्ना उगडटा अधिकृत रितीन ताचीच सगळ्यांनी वाट पळोवपाची अशी परिस्थिती भितर कितें आसतलें ह्या इलेक्शन वर्सां भितर, इश्यूज खंयचे आनी जे इश्यूज सद्या आमी आमची भोंवतणी पळयता तातूंत कितले जेन्युइन आनी कितले नॉट जेन्युइन ह्या विशयाची भासाभास करता आमी. चार मानेस आसा म्हजे बरोबर. पयले भाजपाचे आमदार आनी फुडारी सुभाषबाब फळदेसाय, स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसा तुमचे बरोबर जाणी ती दिलीप पर्वळेकरा विरुद्धची केस जिखली ते राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी राजनबाब डिमेलो, स्वागत. तिसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी आनी म्हणयारे यतीश नायक, स्वागत. आनी चौथे आसात म्हजे बरोबर आम आदमी पक्षाचे फुडारी रुपेश शिंकरे, स्वागत. हांव सुरवात यतीश तुजे कडच्यान करता. ह्या सगळ्या बोळा भितर तुमचो आवाज इल्लो कमी आसा. तुमी सामके पावस बिवस सोंपपा रावल्यात. आनी हाव आर यू एनालायझिंग दीज इव्हेंट्स हॅपनिंग अराउंड?
No, Congress is working systematically at grassroots level. Congress is preparing for the elections in full swing. I am surprised when you say "aap like aikung yona." I think this is a devil's advocate's question because you want to elicit a very loud answer.
They are visible.
No. I can tell you, Congress is working at the grassroots. Congress is very active. Congress is in the mood of getting the sentiments of the people and translating them into reality with togetherness and participative approach, and that is happening. Congress is in a very, very systematic approach mode, grassroots, towards building up the party organizationally and gearing up for the elections at the same time.
How are you looking at the issues happening around right now?
Which issues?
Including तुम्ही बाबूशाची जावं मागीर दिलीप पर्वळेकराची केस आसूं, आम आदमी पार्टीचे प्रत्येक जाग्यार बॅनर.
आम आदमी party don't make a mountain out of a molehill. You see, as far as the case that you referred to me of an MLA, you see, it is a case between an individual and the law. The law has to take course. Beyond that, what do you expect me to say? The law has to take the course. Law has to take its own, play its own role.
What about Dilip Parwalekar, where they
now,
are
as far as
resignation?
No, Congress party is fully aware about the proceedings in the High Court, what is the order in the High Court, and Dilip Parwalekar as a minister in the government ought to have a moral, obligation. When such a thing is passed against him, he has to step down. There is no doubt about it. Because High Court has opined a particular thing, examined the issue, and after examining the issue based on the merits and arguments of either parties, has given a judgment. As a minister, in such circumstances, it is his moral obligation
to step down.
Okay.
Trajan Babu, I'll come to you. तुमकां कितें दिसता हे सगळे भोवतणचे जर गजाली पळयल्यो, you are getting a feel that we are into election year now?
Yes, we are into election year. But this case that started has not started today. It started way back in 2014. Now, Yatish Bab says that it is his moral right to step down. I am a little surprised that he being in the legal fraternity, he talks of morality, leaving the legality out. He is a person who has taken oath on the Constitution to safeguard the Constitution, and by doing this, the judgment of the High Court has opined that he has broken the law. Breaking the law is breaking the Constitution. The sanctity of the Constitution has been tampered by him. There is no question of if he doesn't step down, the Chief Minister should sack him. Because this would be the highest immoral minister that continues after a High Court has come down very strictly, not only on the minister, including the government, for remaining silent on this issue.
Okay. तुमचे सगळे कडेन बॅनर दिसपा लागल्या. How are you preparing? How is your party preparing? आणि हे जे सगळे इश्यूज येदे व्हडले सायडीच्यान चल्ल्यात तांचे बद्दल तुमकां कितें दिसता?
Point number one, आमी सद्याक we are into second phase of our organization development. आमी जेन्ना organization develop करतात, we basically look for volunteers who would work for us, because we have just entered into the system of the political system, what you call it, maybe around 6 months back. आमचे सद्याक around 10,000 plus volunteers जाल्यात, and we are gearing up because we are looking at issues, we are discussing with people, the different issues that are actually troubling the people. लोकांक पळय जे त्रास जातात ते इशू सामके घेवपाक जाय. Maybe the price rise आणि the fascist government, fascist attitude थोड्यो वस्तू ज्यो गोंयांत जाल्यात, ज्यो गव्हर्मेंटान सगळ्यांक लोकांचे आयकनासतना आपल्याक जाय ते हाय हेडेडनेसान केलें. जंय करपाक जाय थंय केलें ना आनी जंय करपाक नाका थंय केलें. सो वी आर जस्ट आमी सद्याक वी आर डेव्हलपिंग आवर ऑर्गनायझेशन एंड केजरीवाल कमिंग ऑन 22nd इज इन द सेम डिरेक्शन.
इन द सेम डिरेक्शन. हे सगळे बोळां भितर आसता अल्टिमेटली पावराक तुमी म्हणल्यार यू आर एट दी रिसिवींग हँड. भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंच जावं मातशें नेक्स्ट मिटींग तुमचे मतदारसंघां आसा. काँग्रेसीचो हल्लाबोली तुमचेरच जातलो. हांगाय दिलीप परवळेकर म्हणटा ते घुवन फिरून तुमच्याय म्हऱ्या पावता आनी तेय अटॅक करतना प्रायमरीली तुमचेरच अटॅक करता. हाव इज बीजेपी लुकिंग एट दीस ऑल दीज अटॅक्स? What is your strategic plan for this election year?
We don't make strategies at the time of elections. Our strategies work throughout 5 years because we are in the politics and we are not only for making doing the politics. आता social issues आणि आमचे जे कितें मतदारां खातीर आमी आश्वासनां दिल्लीं, आमचो जाहीरनामो आसा त्या जाहीरनाम्याच्यो प्रत्येक गोष्ट प्रत्येक दिसाक टार्गेट घेवन करपाचें आमचें आमी लास्ट वर्साक रावनात. Election may come at any point of time in between also. We are always prepared because we don't wait election to come and to go with the people, because every time in every year you will see that we are with the people, we are connected with the people, we always move house to house, we always have म्हणजे जाहीर सभा असतल्यो, घर घर चलो अभियान असतले. म्हणजे मतदारा कडेन संपर्क दवरपाची साधना आमी केन्नाच पोनाक उडोवन 5 वर्सांनंतर येनात. म्हणजे ह्या मतदारसंघा भितर जेन्ना आमदार निवडून येता कमीत कमी 5 फावटी परत 1 फावटी तांच्या घरा कडेन वता प्रत्येक कारणां लागून. सो वी आर ऑलवेज प्रिपेर्ड फॉर द इलेक्शन्स. देर इज नथिंग स्पेशल टू डू एट द टाइम ऑफ इलेक्शन. दिस इज
वेगळे काय करपाची गरज आसता.
वेगळे काय करपाची, कारण वी आर ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड विथ द पीपल. वी आर टेकिंग द इश्यूज ऑफ द पीपल अँड वी आर ट्रायंग टू सॉल्व द इश्यूज. सोशल इश्यूज असतले, लिगल इश्यूज असतले, शैक्षणिक धोरण असतले, जावं बाकीचे ज्यो गजाली आसात ज्यो राज्याक बरे जातात त्यो दिवपाचो प्रयत्न आमी प्रत्येक 5 वर्सांक प्रत्येक दिसाक टार्गेट घेवन करतात.
ह्यो महत्वाची गजाल म्हळ्यार वेन यू आर गियरिंग अप फॉर द इलेक्शन. आता 2 मिनिस्टर आहात जांचेर एकट्याचे कायदो मोडलो म्हणून आरोप आसा, दुसऱ्याचे कायदो मोडला हें हायकोर्टान आपणे जावन सांगला. सो इफ यू लुक एट दीस सिनारियो, तुमी म्हणटात की आमी नवी फेसिसांक तिकीट दितले, आम आदमी पार्टी म्हणटा की आमी नवी फेसिसाक तिकीट दितले. ह्या नवी फेसिसाक तिकीटी दिवपाचो पळय जंय आसा तातूंत तुमची पार्टी भितरल्यानय बोवाळ जाला. इज इट रियली पॉसिबल आणि इज इट रियली वर्केबल?
सी 2 गोष्टी. पहिली म्हणजे बीजेपी सरकार has been rendered as a non-performing, non-delivery oriented government. They have nothing to bank upon, and therefore they are creating this artificial fight or a rift between RSS and BJP. It's an extremely artificial thing to create an atmosphere of polarization or whatever it is to divide the people. You see, Goans are intelligent. Goans know to see through. And Goans have made up their mind to make them sit, remove them out from the treasury benches and put them in opposition. Goans have decided it. Now, coming back to your question about Congress. You see, there is a sentiment which is in the state from the various sections of the people. The Congress party is trying to ascertain that sentiment and accept that sentiment on various issues. There are various issues and various cross sections are opining in various ways. Congress party wants to assimilate everybody into the process of participative politics. Now, having said that, you asked me about young, new faces.
Young or new faces?
See,
it can be old but it should be new.
It is no, please don't trivialize anything, because our party president has spoken very, very categorically on this subject. He has said that the endeavor of the party is to give at least 50% new faces the tickets. Now, when it comes from the party president, where is the doubt? Where is the?
No, I'm not saying about your intent. I am saying whether all this demand. फाल्यां ते आमी 40 तिकीटी दितले म्हणटात नवी भुरग्यांक.
See.
No, let's go to ते 40 दितले म्हणटात. फाल्यां एनसीपी म्हणटले आमी नवी भुरग्यांक तिकीट दितात. फाल्यां काँग्रेसय म्हणटा की आमी नवी भुरग्यांक तिकीट दितात. Are there so many new faces in Goa who are willing to jump into politics, contest election, face all those pulls and pushes?
All I can tell you, in Goa, the poles of polity, one is around secular politics with inclusive growth as the principle, and second is around polarizing politics and communal politics, which revolves around the BJP. The secular politics is the ideology of the Congress party. So, in this situation, the ideology of the Congress party is an ideology of inclusive politics, is a
You are
ideology.
saying they cannot be the third pole.
I don't know what is their ideology. See, they say anti-corruption. You see, every political party is anti-corruption, at least to say. Congress party is the party which got the Lokpal bill. Congress party is the party which gave RTI Act. So, one thing I can say, our actions as far as anti-corruption are very clear. You see, but I can tell you one thing. They talk about anti-corruption. That is in every party. No party can say I support
They
corruption.
are not talking anything different, म्हणतो तो.
No, I don't understand what they are talking.
Okay, now
They are
I'll
not
come to
talking
you.
anything.
They are saying ultimately it is going to be two poles. One is going to revolve around Congress, one is going to revolve around BJP. You can't disrupt this equation.
I will start with BJP first.
Ah.
ताणी म्हणला ते इलेक्शनाक केन्नाय वचपाक रेडी आसात आमचो जाहीरनामो ABC म्हणटा तांचो जाहीरनामो आसा खंय सद्याक म्हाका तांचो जाहीरनामो दाखोवचो तांचो जाहीरनामो तांचे वेबसायटीर ना तांचे वेबसायटी वयल्यान तो जाहीरनामो काडला ते म्हणटात ते 85% हा ते असो असो 85 हा पळय तांचे कडेन आसा पूण तांचे कडेन ना व्हेरी गुड ते म्हणटात 85% तांचो हो कंप्लीट जाला जाहीरनामो कितें म्हणटा तो म्हाका तरी दिसना तांणी सांगिल्लें ते जे आमचे सपोर्टर आसा तांचे घरांचेर तो एक कितें बावटो काय झेंडो कितें तो दिश्टी पडटलो म्हणून हांवें तो एकूय वचून गोंयांक पळोवना हा पळय कोणे
I'll come to you.
Okay.
I'll come to you. I'll give you full chance to talk. I will give you full chance to talk. I know you are at the receiving end. I'll give you full chance. Let it, yeah.
सो
Okay.
दॅट इज नाव आता मुद्द्याचेर जर उलयले तांचे जाहीरनामात तांणी सांगिल्लो आमी नवो रिजनल प्लॅन करतलो म्हणून तो नवो रिजनल प्लॅन करपाचो सोडून दी तांणी तो आनी IPB म्हणून हाडलो जे पळय रिजनल प्लॅनात प्रोटेक्ट जाताले ते पसून तांणी काबार केले दिस इज पॉयंट नंबर 1 पॉयंट नंबर 2 तांणी सांगिल्लो 100 दिसांनी लोकायुक्त येतलो म्हणून तो आतां 100 दीस उरल्यात सरकार सोंपपाक तेन्ना तो आयला ते आतां इंटरप्रीट 100 दिसांनी येतलो काय 100 दीस सोंपता तेन्ना येतलो ते हांव बरें नकळो आनी पेट्रोलाचेर वेट आनी बाकी सगळें सो दीस गव्हर्मेंट तूं लोकांक विचार ते म्हणटात दिस इज अ यू टर्न गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटात ते आनी ते म्हणटात 85% तांणी कंप्लीट केलां हे खंयच्यान कंप्लीट केलां हें म्हाका तांणी बरे भशेन एक्सप्लेन करचें
Okay. Second, काँग्रेसीचें काँग्रेस म्हणटा की तुम्ही यू कॅनॉट बी अ डिसरप्टर फोर्स. There are going to be two poles.
वी आर नॉट डिसरप्टर्स दे आर डिसरप्टर्स कित्याक इट इज व्हेरी सिंपल ते नाच तुम्ही जेन्ना ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट केला ते आसात खंय म्हणून एक्चुअली ते नाच तुम्ही जर ग्राउंड रियालिटी भोंवले लोकांक काँग्रेसी नाका आनी लोकांक BJP नाका भोवून पळोवचें कित्याक हांव हे दिसाक मातसो सावथाक थोडे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी भोंवलां नॉर्थाक चड पूण वेन एवर आय हॅव इंटरेक्टेड विथ पीपल लोकां कडेन जेन्ना उलयता आनी भासाभास करता लोकांक दोनूय नाकात सामके नाकात कित्याक तांणी लोकांक फटयल्यात म्हणून आनी हांचो फासिस्ट एटिट्यूडा खातीर कित्याक ते म्हणटात आपल्याक जाय ते करता म्हणून सो दोगूय ते नाकात पीपल वॉन्ट चेंज अँड पीपल आर लुकींग अपॉन अस टू गिव दॅट चेंज सो वी आर ट्रायंग टू टेल पीपल आतां पळय केजरीवालान जो मॉडेल दिल्लीक केला मे बी ते एज्युकेशन सिस्टम इम्प्रूव करपाक आसूं मे बी हेल्थ कॅर सिस्टम मे बी ट्रान्सपोर्ट सिस्टम आनी जो पळय बाकीचो मॉडेल आसा द रियल मॉडेल टू हेल्प लोकल पीपल कॉमन मनशाक सामको आम आदमीक तो मॉडेल लोक पळयतात सद्याक आमी जेन्ना केजरीवालान कितें
You are
केलां
saying you can be a credible option. You are confident.
एब्सोल्युटली नो डाउट अबाउट इट
राजन बाब तुमकां कितें दिसता ह्या सगळ्या हातूंत भितर अल्टिमेटली यू हॅव ऑलवेज सायडेड विथ काँग्रेस. तुमकां काँग्रेसीचे सद्याचे एक्शन्स पळयतकीर आनी BJPचे एक्शन्स तर तुमी बोळा मारत आसात. तुमकां दिसता की हे जे दोन पोल म्हणटा यतीश की इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ काँग्रेस एंड सेक्युलर सेंट्रीक ऑर अ BJP सेंट्रीक पोल इज इट गोइंग टू रिमेन लायक दॅट इन दीस इलेक्शन ऑर इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ confused situation?
There is no confusion. Confusion is more in the minds of the media.
Okay.
Or they like to keep that
सगळ्यांत
confusion.
सद्याक तुमी म्हाका मुजेर मारतात.
Because unless that confusion is created, the media is not appreciated.
Okay, please clear my confusion, Rajan Bhai.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Yeah. See, I fully agree with Yatish. It will be totally that centric. The earlier, which was thrown out for its so-called corruption, the people of Goa have seen that the present government has what Congress did not do for 25 years, they did it in 4 years.